Last time we got our 1960 Daimler Ferret, which had not started in over a decade, running and driving. This time we do some maintenance and repair some of the bodywork.
So we washed this off the other day, and according to this plate on top of the engine, that one just there, it had an engine rebuild in 1988 with new liners, bearings, piston rings and big ends.
Yeah.
According to that, and this one, apparently that nut is Mal's head, whoever rebuilt the engine.
In the comments from the last video, people are asking why resident mechanic Ryan didn't clean the carb. Simply put, he's lazy and he didn't want to. But now he is. None of the storage boxes are in good condition. This is the best one, so Matt put it under the Ferret so it wouldn't get damaged. More on that later. All of the wings have rot on the front and rear edges, so Simon is going to do some repairs to them. But before he can do any welding, he needs to delicately tap the wing back into shape.
So we will use our CCC body jack. That will be more likely the original colour. Because I doubt they'll have taken these off when they painted it before. You can see the beige look.
Yeah.
Green, beige, green.
And by the looks of it, it's potentially
Being
had
camouflage,
camo black as well, yeah.
Yeah, so I think green and camo black.
Yeah.
On the inside of the cabin, the seat needed some repairs.
I thought it went inside that.
Some of the switches and radio gear had been removed when we got the Ferret, and we didn't know where any of it went, so we had a break and tried to work it out.
No, I mean it's not sprung.
No,
Oh, right.
just height.
so you can just look out then.
Yeah. Is that high as it'll go?
Get out, oh, can you smell that? Oh, put your nose in here. Look, that's not been opened in a good 20 years. The ear. Oh, it smells really old. It smells like Craig's crotch. I wonder what was in that one then.
Have you got a cup holder?
No, this has got to be outside. This, hasn't it?
Round the back winds.
It's too wide. Is that a grenade? What is it?
Controls, split stereo. That's smaller holes.
That for that Morse code.
Yes.
That may well have had. Just pass.
Pretty sure that's that.
Yeah,
could
that,
go
that
there,
goes
yeah.
there.
You blast and paint that. What did we say? That's there.
That's there. There should be another one of them.
There'll be people watching this going, no, it fucking goes there.
Yeah, no,
Like
they will,
they're shouting at
You know,
screen
like-
going, look at them dickheads, they've got it in wrong bloody hole.
You know when we like look at fully minis and they're like, ooh. Here, well, one can go there. Look. Oh, here, look. Well, no, that won't fit. Wait, will. No, it won't. That'll go on those four, but they're just. It won't fit. Won't fit. It's too.
Get on
fair.
top.
Oh, there you go. Hang on.
Get on the internet.
There you go.
and
Oh,
Google
there
pictures.
we go.
Fucking hell. Have you got any UNF balls?
Oh, look at it,
Yeah, that looks like
You see,
it was
can
there.
you blast and paint them, please, Si?
Yes.
Powder coat.
Yes.
Well, there's probably.
Oh, fucking hell, that goes there, look.
We just found it went.
No, don't. They're just too far apart. They could go there, you know.
It's got to be to hand, hasn't it? Have we got. How many of them big ones have we got?
Two.
Just
The
two.
other one there, look.
I wonder if. Because this is for a driver, then, isn't it?
No, it'd be for passenger.
Well, no, what if she gets shot?
Depends what wires we've got, because there's obviously wires everywhere.
Yeah, but you see, that's like right next to him. That's right next to the driver.
Hang on, hey, we've got
That's right
fucking-
next to the driver,
We've
look.
got smoke somewhere.
No, flares, surely.
Smoke, discharge, firing buttons.
Well, yeah. I bet that goes there, look. So the driver can also make some phone calls,
Yeah.
yeah, while he's driving along. While the guy's shooting. It's a bit of a clean them, don't they? We've got all cables, haven't we? We've got a load of cables, haven't we?
We could put it there, you know, if you take that plate off, it could go on them 4 bolts there. That could even be enough. That look at welds on that. That's enough. That's been added on afterwards. Look at fucking
No,
welds.
that looks shit, doesn't it?
That's been added on afterwards. That.
So it goes on them then, do you think?
I
It goes on
reckon
them?
them.
Does it fit on them?
Yeah, it should. It'll go on them, alright.
Yeah, it's got to be there, hasn't it?
So remember earlier I said Matt had put the storage box under the Ferret so it would be safe. Well, it wasn't. Ryan had made this brake pipe for one of his customers' cars and couldn't figure out why it wouldn't go on. Can you see why?
Flares all done.
Yeah, it's regular. Okay, look at that go. That's a nice flame.
Yeah, and then you go,
Oh, fuck.
oh, where's my fittings?
This last section of wing is slightly more complicated than the other repairs, so watch Simon put his skills to work.
Dear. I know that's. Right, see if it fits. Perfect. That'll do. This is an inner frame there, which I had to cut off. There we go, from the body part. Yeah, pretty much mirrors inside up. So that is that. So that goes like that. And then that would go like that effectively. Oh, that's spot on, look. Perfect. So that would go like that. So the next bit I've got to make is that bit, which is just a flat piece of steel with a bend in it. So that would go there like that. And then I've got to fill that gap up to go onto there. It'd be better if it were a deep fry, so I was just tapping that over, but in fact, will it go that way? Ooh, that'd be better. Right, let's weld that on.
Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of the final piece being welded on, but here's how it looks now. Along with all the other repairs that we did to the other wings. Hasn't he done a great job? This is how she stands at the moment, looking grand. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Crap Car Collective.